Hello everyone, today is day 99 of trying something new every day until I'm an adult. And today's episode is one that I've been dreading, and I'm not going to say it was the reason for my procrastination over these few months, because there was multiple reasons, but this was definitely one of them. Today, we will be trying Earthworm Jerky, made in Thailand. And as the name implies, it is jerky made out of earthworms. I got this on Christmas, and I know right now the video technically will say like December 14th or wherever we are in it. So, but right now it is February 22nd, I think. And yeah, I got this on Christmas, and so I've been dreading it since. So, and today we have a bottle of water, just in case. If there's anybody who can't stand, like, gagging or anything, I know there's probably maybe a few people out there who's watching this who might have a low gag reflex or whatever. Maybe just skip this video and the next video, because tomorrow, and I do mean tomorrow as in February 23rd, I won't be procrastinating any longer after this. There's also going to be something gross to eat. So, yeah, today I finally decided that, like, it has to get ate sometime or another. And, I decided I would go at it, I guess. So, it is earthworm jerky marinated in sweet chili sauce. And I've honestly never been more scared to eat anything in my life. And tomorrow is probably going to be so much worse, too. So, there ain't much more to talk about. I guess let's get started. If it'll tear. Oh, it's individually bagged, too. Oh, that's what they look like. That's the earthworm jerky. Oh, it's so slimy. I don't even like chili. So not only is it earthworm jerky, it's also marinated in sweet chili sauce. Oh no. Okay. We're gonna open this up, because I feel like I'm definitely gonna need it. Oh, we're already 3 minutes into the video and I haven't even started. Oh my god, this is so gross. And it came in this little bag as an oxygen pouch. Is that what it's called? Oxygen absorber. So to maintain its freshness. Oh god. There it is. That's the earthworm. It's the earthworm jerky. Oh god. Oh no. Oh no. Oh. Whoa. Oh, it's so horrible. my god. Oh, I swallowed it. There's still some in my teeth.
Oh, there it is. You guys see that?
Oh my god. Oh. This is the worst texture I've ever had. Oh my god. It was sticky. It was slimy. Oh my god. And when you actually taste the worm part, oh, it's horrible. The chili wasn't too bad. I'm putting these back in, by the way. I'm not taking a second bite. I was going to risk it. I'm not doing that. The chili wasn't too bad. Oh my god, the texture was the worst thing I've ever had in my mouth, though. It immediately got stuck in my teeth as soon as I took a bite. Right through the tooth. It was flaky. It was slimy. 0 out of 10. Would not recommend. Oh my god. Oh. I'm gonna have my mom try it since she bought it for me. And we can blame her for this. There ain't much more to say. It was crunchy, slimy, gooey, sticky worm. It was a worm. I ate a worm. That's about it. See you guys tomorrow.